Hello guys, now that we are done with our law 1 and your law 2, law 1 the base are the same and then what is binding them is multiply. What do? Pick one of the base and then add the power. Law 2, if the base are the same, what is binding them is what? Divide. Pick one of the base, subtract the power. In law 3, very fast, what do we do here? Look at this now squarely. Now pay solid attention to this. In our law 3, we were getting more like power law here. Let's say we have our a raised to the power of m, all of these raised to your n as well as power. What is it going to give us? It's simple. What you just do is this. If you watch these guys an index for power, these guys another power, multiply their powers together, that's going to give you your a raised to the power of mn. That's the final answer. Simple. Let's say we have this to be, for example, let's say we have 2 raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of 2. Now very quickly, what's the answer to this? Very fast. Oh yes, this is going to give you your 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2. Oh yes, and what is 2 times 3 or 3 times 2? That's going to give you 6, and that's going to give you 2 raised to the power of 6 as the final answer here. Very simple. Are you there? Now look at the next very fast. Let's say we have your AB. If you watch now, yes, more like a product. AB raised to the power of n. What were we told is going to give us? AB raised to the power of n is going to give us nothing but your A raised to the power of n, your B raised to the power of n. Simple thing. For example, let's say we have your 3 times your 2. Are you seeing it now? Raised to the power of, let me call it your 2. Very fast. What's this going to give us? This is the same thing as your 3 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by your 2 raised to the power of 2. And if you continue solving this, this is going to give you 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. 9 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is how many? 4, right? Oh yes. So what is your 9 times 4? 9 times 4 is going to give you nothing but your words, your 36 as the final answer. So that's what you're going to have from there. Very simple. Hold on a bit. As far as 100 level is concerned, right, for both first and second semester, your complete series of classes, including your practicals, everything from beginning to the end is in the LearnLift app. All you have to do is just march down to your Play Store or App Store and download the LearnLift app. And then you're going to have access to every singular class. So just move down to tertiary, click on tertiary plan, where you're going to see all your classes as far as your 100 level is concerned. And guess what? Your video lessons are there, your CBT is there, you have access to your past questions, you have access to your notes. Very, very important. Man, this semester you must do well. And let's proceed quickly as we march down to our class and continue our class. Enjoy. So what did we do here? We broke this down, your 3 raised to the power of 2, and that is 3 raised to the power of 2, which is 9. And then your 2 raised to the power of 2. What's 2 raised to the power of 2? That's 4. So your 9 times 4, 9 times 2 is 18, right? 18 times 2 is going to give you how many? 36 becomes the final answer. Look at another lovely stuff here. Aye. Let's say we have our A raised to the power A all over B. All of this now raised to the power of n. What is it going to give us? Now this is very simple. All we are saying is A carry your n, B carry your n, everybody go your way. What is it going to give us? It's going to give us our A raised to the power of n all over your B raised to the power of n. So if we are breaking this down, what is it going to what we're going to have is the same thing as your A raised to the power of n all over your B raised to the power of n. Okay, we can't break it any further because if you want to go, you're going to come back into this first question in the first place. Now let's see a practical application of this. Let's say, for example, we have our 3 all over, let me say 3 all over 9. All of these raised to the power of 2. Very fast, break it for me. This is the same thing as your 3 raised to the power of 2 all over your 9 raised to the power of 2. Oh yes. And don't forget that this here is going to give us nothing but your 3 raised to the power of 2 all over. What's your 9? 9 first is same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2. Then raised to another power of 2. Are you seeing me? So what are we going to have? Very, very, very fast. Let me solve it here very quickly. This now is going to give us, now what's your 3 raised to the power of 2? 3 raised to the power of 2 all over. If you watch, what the denominator is 3 raised to the power of 2 square. is the same thing as our 3 raised to the power of 2. Are you seeing it now? And then another 3 raised to the power of 2. You can solve it any way you want to solve it. Or you can say your 2 in this denominator side here, 2 times 2. What's 2 times 2? 4. It can be 3 raised to the power of 4. You are still very absolutely correct. Are you getting it now? So now, I can choose to say, okay, what's going to happen here is this. Let this come and cancel out this. If it takes it out, what am I going to have? I'm going to have 1 all over 3 raised to the power of 2. And what is 1 over 3 raised to the power of 2? That's 1 all over 9 becomes the final answer. Any way you solve it, you're going to get the same answer. Are you there with me? So this is how this law is. Now that you understand everything about your law 3, in the next class, I'm going to be showing you everything you should know about your law 4. See you there, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this class. Guess what? To follow up for more classes, just download the LearnLift app, whether on Play Store or App Store, and then follow up your classes. You must do extremely well. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.